Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of Newsly, a new product just released. We're going to go through it and let you know what it's all about. So the best thing to do is to get to my bonus page, which is where I am now. So beneath the video on YouTube, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Newsly here. Click that link and it'll take you to the very page that's in front of us now. All right, and so what we're going to talk about is the success, or what caused the success of a 62-year-old ex-secretary who started making $127,000 a year after she retired. All right, and so by basically creating viral news sites, and you can do the same. All right, so let's get into it a little bit more about what it's about, and then we're going to actually watch the review video, and then we're going to come back and talk about the prices and the bonuses that I have for you today. So basically, 62-year-old ex-secretary Linda Bachmann from Denver, Colorado, officially retired from her job and now is making $27,000 a year from home. And so free video, but that's on the sales page. But basically, I'm giving you the information here. She's collecting, $2,000 to $4,000 a week in paychecks from her 100% automated, self-updating, self-monetizing viral news sites. While not doing any manual work, being truly anonymous with zero hard costs, zero experience, and zero technical knowledge. So basically 3 steps away from duplicating this. Step number 1, click any of the red banners on this page to get a copy of Newsly. Step number 2, push the 1 button to instantly activate a beautiful, professionally looking and easily customizable viral news site filled with thousands of sizzling hot, up-to-date, and most trending news articles. And step 3 is to turn on the hot buyer traffic technology inside of Newsly dashboard to immediately place your news site in front of 410 million targeted news-hungry buyers with cash in hand. All right, so what we're going to do now is go over and take a look at the review video walkthrough. All right, and let's take a look. This is about 5.5 minutes long. All right, so here we go. All right. And so, that was a lot to show in just that 5.5 minutes. And, but as you can see, there's different templates from you can choose. You have the option of choosing whether to, let it be hosted on their own server or on your own domain. You can add your own logos and favicons. You have your social media contacts. You have your autoresponder and mailing options. This thing is packed with some pretty good features here for you. So let's go through the prices and the bonuses I have for you today. And of course, I'd mentioned earlier by clicking on any of the red banners on this page to go ahead and get your copy. All right, and so to start off with, the front end of what you've seen is $19. All right, and then we have 7 one-time offers. So to start off with, OTO number 1 for $47 is the unlimited version. All right, and so you unlock all the premium features. Surcharge your Newsly account, supercharge your Newsly account to 100 times traffic, therefore profit. Remove all the limits. OTO number 2 is the done for you. If you want to have it all set up for you, $297. OTO number 3, the hands-free automation for $97. The enjoy hands-free income by fully automating a Newsly. OTO number 4, 5 times income multiplier for $47. So you can 5 times your money with the Newsly account without any extra work. Turn $500 paydays into $2,500 paydays. Copy and paste the exact done-for-you monetization campaigns that we use to generate $32,000 in 30 days. All right. OTO number 5, limitless traffic for $167. That's where you can instantly tap into our own personal diamond source of viral traffic for unlimited sales and commissions. OTO number 6, the franchise license for $297. So basically, you're going to become official franchise partner. You're going to sell Newsly while keeping 80% of all commissions. Get paid up to $1,120 per visitor that you send. Business in a box. You get to use our proven to convert professionally designed pages, funnels, and resources. Okay. OTO number 7, the accidental discovery for $67. So this emergency cash method, accidentally found out by a Newsly beta tester, pockets us an additional $505 a day with just 5 minutes of work. All right. So briefly, the key benefits: 100% new breakthrough money-making system for newbies. Case studies: 25 out of 27 beginner participants made documented and verified profits. Proprietary 3-click setup, fully automated, build generational wealth, put an end to the struggle and frustration, a new life, gain respect, and either make money or you get 100% money back. All right. Also, on my bonus page is the demo that we had just watched. So you can bookmark this page and come back to it. That's one reason to get on over to my bonus page here. Click any of the red banners to get your copy of Newsly today. And so to help you out, I have some bonuses. To start off with, free traffic. I'm giving to you 5,000 visitors plus 2,500 text ads plus 2,500 banner ads to help you attract those visitors to your new site. Bonus number 2, blogging secrets. Supercharge this amazing blog plus post formulas. This is my exclusive digital download edition, so it's a flip book, and of course the regular PDF version is there for you too. Bonus number 3, YT Velocity, and this is to unlock the set and forget free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. Bonus number 4, the monthly income system. Bonus number 5, the affiliate takeover. This is how you drive more leads and sales from on-demand traffic. And bonus number 6 are the bonuses that the vendor from Newsly are passing on through me to give to you when you pick up Newsly from any of my red banners today. All right. And clicking on any of my red banners will take you over to the sales page where you'll click on your, purchase now button. You'll go to your secure checkout, and then you'll end up on the Warrior Plus purchase page. You'll click on the green button to go ahead and get Newsly and the Newsly bonuses, and you'll click on the blue button on the page to get the bonuses that I just presented to you. That is pretty much it. I want to take the time to thank you for taking your time to watch this review, the demo, the bonuses, and the information provided to you. Please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Thank you very much. That is it. I certainly hope you have a great day and, of course, future ahead of you. And as always, to your success.